All Are Called is a registered organization that serves the LGBTQ plus Christian community throughout South Africa. And so, how can you get involved? Well, it's quite simple actually, and there are many ways to get involved. The easiest and the simplest is to become part of one of our community groups, where you will meet weekly, you'll be supported in your faith, encouraged, and get to know other LGBTQ plus Christians. The next is become a volunteer. And so you can help serve the LGBTQ plus Christian community throughout South Africa. You can also join us for our in-person events, our online events, and also interact on all of the social media platforms where we post regularly, and we'd love to hear from you and have you interact on all of these platforms. And so we're excited to have you join us on this journey. And so may we all just build God's kingdom together.